6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Follow the count. 3, 4. Yes, so my people are greeting us this morning again for this special time when they spend with us. Meanwhile, I don't know now, the only number one Papa Jojo way to make person go through any fitness sport. This morning, straight away, I don't want to waste on our time at all, so that on our video follow us casually, well. So this one, as we go, now we take on this morning for step board aerobics movement. Where will they take on this morning? And when I go see, say I don't get guests, where they even there for my backside, where they follow me, move on as we go. You just every day look and say, and I like the way that these people they move for this special program why they look this morning. But I have to join them. Well, I will say congratulations to you. Just try. Look for anything where Oiboma they call improvises. Maybe you get staircase around you there. Just try, go close. Then try make a move. The way we go. Follow the count like that as we go.
4.
Yes. 5. Follow your count. 6. Where will be the purpose of this one?
7.
This one has to help you build up your calf muscle. Sometimes you go feel say where you go for top your staircase. You go to feel some pains around the calf muscle or around the thighs. This one not say whether not punishment, but it help you build up the required muscle where you need for your leg, so that you're not going to feel any flapping movement or weakness around your thighs. So now the purpose of this one, and now part of another program where they don't put together to help you make sure say yes, as they do the fitness program on daily basis, where they follow what Wazobia TV they give you, you to say, you say yes. At the end of the day, you go there happy and you go feel say yes. As you exercise, you enjoy what you go called good health. So just the followers go as we go. Move your hand as we go. Let your hand move like say you walk up for street. See, now so you go.
7.
Of 8. 8. From 1 again. 1. Sit the hand, let her go.
2.
Let her flow like that. 3. Like that. 4. You're going to follow up
5.
in tune line to the rhythm of the music as they go.
7.
Then 8 again.
3.
Now see.
1.
Yes. Follow. 2. No stop.
3.
Your concentration go there high.
4.
And we get alternative movement. For the benefit of you where you know say yes. If you want to remove your hand and you want to remove your leg, it go there somehow too difficult for you. Just put your hand for waistline as you go like that.
4. 5.
Just follow up.
6.
No give up.
7.
Then change your leg. Return back. Go.
1.
Yes. 2. Like that. 3. Where your hand.
4.
You go back from where you don't start from. Like say you walk up for street. 7. They go. 8. Where your hand.
1.
Let your hand move.
2.
Yes, now part of your exercise. Your exercising program. Yes.
5.
The more you walk out for top the step board, you go up and down. You're going to feel tired more. You're going to feel like you want to run out of breath. And you're going to do it more and more. Like that. 4. Where your count. 5. Like that. 6. Yes, so 7. There your hand. 8. Don't change your leg.
1.
Now so you go follow.
2.
If you do and go, watch the way that my guests they do and go.
4.
See the hand.
5.
Your level of concentration go dey high. Because you know go one miss the movement of the leg. You know go one miss the movement of the hand. So everything gonna go like that. Meanwhile, when you go see my other second guest, the way they flow. As if to say just they join us today like that. So it is going to try the way they go. And if my guests where they join us today say they flow like that, then you way you take the way you be our viewer. You to say you know go give up. You go try to follow up the way they go like that.
5.
You know go give up. 6 like that. 7. Then 8. Now you go. 1. Follow your count.
2.
As you do and go, you go to feel some sign of sweat when want to come out. Yes.
6.
Follow. No give up.
7.
If you, even though you feel like you don't tire, no give up. Try to meet up. Take a like say the challenge us. Then a part of your encouragement. Like that.
4.
Now, see the way they go.
5.
6. My people, I really want to appreciate you now for this special time.
8.
Where Honor don't spend with us this morning. Or top channel 195. Meanwhile, when I'm making, I don't forget saying that Wazobia TV.
4.
Channel 195 or top start time. Until tomorrow, me and my people, they tell us, bye-bye.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.